Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Bob DiMaria. I'd like to welcome you to our Naples, Florida office. A lot of services that we do here. Our chiropractic table, very new, very modern, great drop work that we do at the table. We have a lot of internal function that we do, including our peripheral neuropathy, biocommunication testing, and then we have a wide variety of products that we use from Biotics Research Corporation, Standard Process, Xorox, just to help you get healthy. And we really enjoy internal function. We have our specimen here. We can talk about the details of what's going on inside of your body. And some of the other modalities that we use, of course, we have female breast thermography. We really enjoy helping people getting improvement with their liver function, male and female health. And you can enjoy one of the 11 books that I have written to give you more insight to what we do. We have a full array of activity that we do here in our Naples practice. Of course, we like to enjoy having lab testing that we do here in the office. And I'm with Debbie, and we do breast thermography, and Debbie is an active part of doing the breast thermography. We have up-to-date equipment, making a difference in overall optimal female health. Why don't you join us? I'm Dr. Bob and Debbie DiMaria.